Namaskaram, this is Seshadri from OnCall. Today we are going to see about holidays. Time to time, government is on declaring some holidays. We used to get doubt whether it is applicable to our factory, whether it is applicable to our establishment. Usually we will get. Definitely this video is useful for all the HR friends. Please watch this video till end and please share to all our HR colleagues, as well as please subscribe, like and comment your views. Let us see the video. Yeah friends, holidays declared by the government, how it is treated for a private organization. Let us see. Holidays in private, usually all the holidays declared in private organization is managed under Industrial Establishment National and Festival Holidays Act. Usually each state is having, like Tamil Nadu is having Tamil Nadu Industrial Establishment National and Festival Holidays Act. In this only all the holidays are governed. As well as weekly off, we know weekly once we are declaring holiday for all the employees. That is either on Sunday or if it is staggered off some other day. That is maintained or governed by the Factories Act. As well as sick leave, if it is eligible, it is governed by the ESI Act. Negotiable Instrument Act is not at all applicable to any private organization. Negotiable Instrument Act is purely deals with the promissory notes or bill of exchange and checks. That is the date. When the date is due, that time if it is falls on holiday or government is declared on holiday, that time how it should be treated. Section 25 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, it is clearly defined date of maturity of any negotiable instrument falls on a holiday, the same has to be extended to the next working day. That means in case today is a due and today if government is declaring holiday or it is a Sunday, it is a non-working day, then the due will be next day. That's what it is means under section 25. In this section only it is been declared. We need to see that section as well as the holiday in conjunction. That is totally we have to see. If you are seeing in case government is declaring suddenly, so that due will be next day. This purely applicable to the financial institution, not for the private organization. This is the exact section 25. When a day of maturity is a holiday, when the day on which a promissory note or bill of exchange is at maturity is a public holiday, the instrument shall be deemed to be due on the next preceding business day. This is what section 25 is clearly defining. So even government is declared at that time, that due will be next day. That's what it is meant. Even in one government circular, it has been clearly defined the public holiday. What is public holiday? The public holiday, the holiday declared under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, if it is declared, that is treated as a public holiday. What is government holiday? Government holiday is wherever the appropriate government is having the control, for them it is a closed, that is called government holiday. So public holiday and government holiday, we should be having the clarity. Public holidays are declared under Negotiable Instrument Act, as well as government holidays is directly only for the government offices. So another one judgment, it is Bimetal Bearings Limited, Hosur, Krishnagiri District, Tamil Nadu. Justice S.M. Subramaniam, it has clearly explained Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881 will not be applicable to the private companies falling under the Factories Act. Particularly if it is a Factories Act, if we are following, then it is definitely it is not at all applicable to any private organization. So this leave, any holidays declared under Negotiable Instrument Act is not applicable to the private organization. Okay, then it comes to Representation of People Act. It is under section 135B. It is clearly given every person employed in any business, trade, industrial undertaking or any other establishment and entitled to vote at an election to the House of People or Legislative Assembly of a state shall on a day of poll be granted a holiday. So we have to grant a holiday on the day of poll. As well as no deduction or abatement of the wages of any such person shall be made on the account of holiday. So we have to pay same pay, ordinarily whatever he receives, that pay which should be paid. As well as in case if it is not followed, the fine will be around 500 rupees. As well as section in class 4, it is very clearly defined for essential services. This section shall not apply to any elector whose absence may cause danger or substantial loss in respect of the employment in which he is engaged. So In case, for example, in factories, if you take security services are essential, some of the maintenance services are essential, they are exempted from this act. Only thing we should ensure they should be given permission or some time to vote. That we should ensure. If you see Central Election Commission's circular, who are all eligible? Another explanation he has given under 135. In case now Andhra, Tamil Nadu person is working in Andhra, then Andhra is not having election. But the person from Tamil Nadu is working in under Andhra. Whether it is applicable? Yes, it is clearly says Election Commission, it is applicable. This clause 135B will be applicable to that person. So he should be granted leave on the day of where his electoral enrollment is that there he should be granted leave. Only thing we have to ensure whether he is voting or not, as well as whether it is applicable to only officers or permanent employees. So it is applicable to all the employees, including daily wages, casual workers, everybody. Badlis, all people are eligible for this holiday. They should be paid ordinarily whatever the wages they are getting. Okay, we will be getting some of the doubts. Whether already one is clarified, what are all the essential services we can engage? Already we told security services, some of the maintenance services which are essential we can engage. Only thing we should ensure they are voting. Full time is morning to evening. Shall we run second and third shift? Definitely not. We cannot run. It should be a whole day to be declared as a holiday. Can we ask officials to work from home? Because nowadays work from home is famous. So can we ask? Definitely not. In that section it is clearly given a day of the poll means 24 hours of the day, whole day, that is midnight to midnight. So it is clear everybody should be declared holiday to be declared for all the employees on the whole day. Thank you for watching. Any doubts, please put in comments box. Whatever the doubts you are having, I will try to explain your doubts also. On College HR, we provide recruitment, training, temporary staffing, manpower complaints, everything we do. Anything services you require, we are ready to serve. Let us meet with another topic shortly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share this video to all our HR friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.